Hello Nature Files, we're here in Mount Victoria in the upper Blue Mountains and we are going to check out the Asgard Swamp track, head down to the swamp, head over to the Asgard Head Lookout and then come back and hopefully answer why you should check out the Asgard Swamp track today. As always, pack those bags, fill those water bottles, lace up those boots, let's get going. So the first section is basically a downhill trudge to the swamp, and then you'll eventually plateau out and then walk along a proper track. So obviously it has flattened out and now we're in the middle of a gum tree forest, heading towards the swamp, so let's continue. So this is where the track splits. This way takes you to Asgard Swamp. This way takes you to Asgard Head Lookout. We're gonna head down to the swamp first and show it off. And then we're gonna head back onto this track and then continue towards Asgard Head Lookout. Let's go. Here we have Asgard Swamp. Notice along here we have a lot of these rock formations that are quite similar to what you find in the Garden of Stone and around the Lost City. Just check out that view in the distance. So this is where the track branches off again. If you head down this way in about 400 meters, you'll reach the Asgard mine. There's an old kiln down there as well that kind of smells like pee because some horrible person decided to use it as a toilet. Shame on you. Anyways, you can go check that out for yourself because I don't want to subject myself to that again. I'm going to head this way towards the lookout. Just wait till you see this view. So that was Asgard Head Lookout, arguably one of the best lookouts in the entire Blue Mountains. You get stunning views of the Gross River, Gross Valley included, as well as the top of Victoria Falls. Best part about it, Not a sign of civilization in sight unless you really look for it. Definitely worth checking out if you got some spare time, but come check it out for yourself and decide it. I'm gonna walk back to the car and save you all the trouble of having to do it to yourself. So take a seat, get comfortable, maybe grab a drink. I'll do all the hard work and I'll wrap back up at the car. See you there. So from this vantage point, you can see Victoria Falls. Pretty stunning even from up here. So that right there is the Gross River, and I believe there is a campground somewhere just down there as well. So we're almost back at the car. You can see it back in the distance there. That was the walk out along the Asgard Swamp track. As you can see, fairly easy walk. There was some bush bashing towards the end as you head towards Asgard Head Lookout, but fairly easy one. Even on a warmish day like this, because it's gotten a bit warm in the sun. Nice cool breeze though. There's not a lot of shade cover, so wear a hat, slip, slop, slap. Bring a lot of water along so you don't get dehydrated as well. The lookout itself is fairly open with no fencing, so be careful around those edges. I don't want to hear about any of you falling off a cliff or anything. I really like you guys, and plus, who else is going to watch my videos? It's a small number of you guys, and I appreciate every single one of you, so stay alive. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed that. As always, take care of yourselves, take care of nature, and I'll take care of you. This is probably the first one for the year, so Happy New Year. I hope you're starting it off right and getting out there and enjoying some nature for yourself. I'll see you on the next one, beautiful people. Bye.